Oh, what a peaceful day. Ah, there. All gone. I gotta hold on. To the fire station. What are these doing here anyway? Everyone, put these back to the police station. So, who said so? The entire city has begun for us. Now we can finally make that our hideout. Well, only for us, because we're the city rappers. Yeah. My wrench! Oh, come on. Really? My wrench got off. Ah, it's so hard. Perfect. We four robbers have just been made. Me. And me. You guys still want to dance? No. You look like you want to, but I don't want to. Come on, let's work, you guys. You're still dancing. I'm walking. Let's go. Yay. Wheelbarrow. I lost one blue diamond, so I have to get this diamond here. Then we get to keep everything. Great. We could have so much fun. No one knows our hideouts here. Well, we're so close to the firefighters. Nah, don't worry, they won't know. Whatever. Okay, don't think about it, doggy. Ah, come on. Doggy, stop it. Ow. Doggy, you must have a rest. Sleep. Oh. Good, that was easy. To sleep. He went to go get robbers. Hey, we don't see any robbers, so we're not gonna get them. Okay. I'm just gonna hang out in my motorcycle. Biggest beauty. Now, time to go sit on my motorcycle. Come on! Let me on! Oh. Perfect. I came to visit you, firefighters. Oh, hi. So, what's wrong? Is there any robbers in town? Not today. They found their own hideout, I heard. What? I better look on the news. Bye. Guys, the robbers have their own hideout now. What? I'll just stay on my vehicle. Oh, come on. They have a hideout. They can't have a hideout. It's not fair. You're ruining my... our stuff to defend rabbits. James McCain. You're James McCain. Yeah, James McCain. I'm not the leader.